Welcome to Audumbar classes. Today's multiple choice question is from ISS exam year 2020 paper 1 set. Question 2 is given the following contingency table. In this contingency table, 5 materials are given A, B, C, D and E and their numbers either it is lit or not lit, that is given. Also the for every row the total is also given, and with this contingency table some additional information is also provided about this table, and it is known that column total for material C and D is same. Then values of x1, x2, y are respectively. 4 options are provided. Option A is 66, 34, 18. Option B is 34, 66, 18. Option C is 70, 30, 20. And option D is 30, 70 and 20. So now let's try to find out the values of x1, x2 and y. Same table I have written here. Okay. So now here first of all what is given? The row total. For the first row it is 200, for the second row it is 400. So we should know our final total should be 600. Okay. Now let's try to find out first of all y. How we can find out the value of y? So we know that here sum of all these values equal to 400. So here 90 plus y plus 46 plus 78 plus 168 equals to 400, and therefore value of y equals to, we have to subtract all these values from 400. So we will get value of y as a 18. Okay. So we got value of y. It is easy. We got it. Then here let's take the total of all these. So here we will get 126. Here it is 40. Now here you can see in the example total for the material C and D is a same. So now here let me take here T and a T. I am taking here a notation to represent that column total is same for this 2, and here its total is 210. Okay. So now let's try to find out the value of T first. So we will get 2 times T equals to 600 minus 126 minus 40 minus 210. So here 2t equals to 224. So value of t is 112. Okay. And now as we got here value of t as a 112, I am writing here 112 and a 112. Now again we can calculate x1 from this total, and what it will be? Here x1 equals to 112 minus 46, and here it is a nothing but 66. So value of x1 is 66, and similarly we can calculate value of x2. So here x2 equals to 112 minus 78, and here it is nothing but 36, and this is the value of x2. So the correct option is x1 is 66, x2 is, here it is 34, and value of y is 18. So correct option is option A. For more multiple choice question, like, share and subscribe the channel.